just break everything, combine everything, jam everything. The birthday girl has tricked me into making her cake. So a few days ago, my sister came asking me to give her a recipe, a very very easy, simple recipe that she can just try out, because I taught her how to make buns, I taught her how to make puff puff, I taught her how to make peanut chin chin. I guess the only thing I've not teach her how to make is cake. Like, I've not teach her how to make cake before, and this time around she wants to make a very easy, budget friendly vanilla cake. And there is this cake that I tried one certain time that year at Evitogware, during a friend's birthday. I just made, like, she said, I think she said she have nothing more than 3k, like I should just make. And I wanted to make the cake for her for free, but I wasn't buoyant enough at the time. So I was like, okay, just get whatever you have. Let's do it this way. Get whatever you have, and I'm going to make a cake out of it. But the deal is that we are not decorating the cake. She was like, what's she using icing for? Is it not just us that is still eating the cake? So I came up with this very simple recipe. When If I show you everything I use for it, you will be like, ah, is this one the budget friendly recipe that you speak of? But honestly, we spent nothing more than 5k. I'm talking about this current one. But then the first time I made that cake for a friend, I think we spent about 2000 something, almost 3k. Do you know the best part of this recipe? It can actually serve you as your go-to recipe for emergency orders. Like, those clients that will call you 2 hours to the time and be like, kiniko, something happen. I didn't even know that it will happen this way. Those kind of customers. Don't worry, you don't have to chase them. I know you have a lot of money. As a madam that you are, you have a lot of money already in this business, but you can still get more, right? You can still get more. And this recipe, honestly, like, is very cheap. Are we even lying? It's very cheap. Just use this recipe, like, just everything. Do you know what is kwam in my language? Like, fast. You don't even need to whisk anything. Just cream your butter and your sugar, and everything is ready. Just combine everything. Keep combining. But please, don't break the eggs like I did. I beg. I take God beg you. No break egg inside your this, like, I actually knew, like, I knew the spirit in me. The Holy Spirit in me knew that egg was fresh, like nothing will go wrong. I beg you, no go toxin a honey cloud teach you that one. No break your egg inside though. I don't beg you, no break your egg inside, I beg. But I actually did. I broke my egg inside. I knew all the very fresh, the egg is fresh. That's why I did it. But sometimes, so you might even do your fresh test kiniko, and you still end up having a bad egg. I beg, no try am. For your own safety. So just break everything, combine everything, jam everything. And guys, the cake was soft, it was fluffy, it was spongy. Like, I don't know, like, the texture, there is something about the texture. I don't even need to talk too much. Like, just just follow what you're seeing in the video. I don't even need to give you any other special recipe on the side. Like, just follow what you're seeing in the video. Just make sure you don't burn the cake. Even when you burn it, even if you burn half of this cake, guy, it will still be given. Because I don't go lie, birthday girl, she burnt her cake, but it was still given. because sorry guys, because you won't be seeing the end product. You won't be seeing the end product, but you will be seeing it. You will actually see it when you make yours. I will actually encourage you to make yours. When you make yours, you can even send it to me through WhatsApp. You can send me a picture of it, because I know, I know it's going to be lovely. It's going to be heaven. Like, it's going to be everything and more. You see all this one, all those recipes that you see, add this one, the grocery list will be looking like somebody's traditional marriage list. Guy, this will still beat it hands down. Now me they tell you, no too much sugar, no too much skinny cookie. It's just vanilla. It's just God, I beg. I'm talking too much. But I need to like emphasis on the I need to, because this cake was, and I noticed something. The cake is actually better than the last time, and this can actually serve you as a cupcake recipe. Yeah, but if you want to make this recipe a cupcake, like if you want to use it for cupcakes, I would advise you add like one quarter, right? 1/4, that's 1/4. Add 1/4 cup of warm water to the recipe if you're making cupcakes. I know why. Or better still, if you don't want to add warm water, you can actually add buttermilk. Replace the water with buttermilk. Like, that's for cupcakes. But if it's for birthday, for party, for any other thing at all, guys, just try what you're seeing in the video and you will come back for more. Because the last cake, all the cake, I don't even know. You guys are looking at the big channels. Can you just come close to Honey Cloud? I know my onion. I might not cook the best ufako and banga head and kidney for you, but you see, whatever you fry, whatever that has to do with frying, whatever that has to do with baking, you see, anything pastry, just leave it for me. Even the potato chips of a thing that the woman that taught me, like, she might be regretting it. Like, she will be like, waiting be this, why apprentice can't they do pass her madam? That's just me. Like, anything pastries, like, even when I leave, even if I'm going to leave that line of business tomorrow, even if I leave this line of business tomorrow, guy, my family will enjoy. Don't play with me. My children, like, they're gonna brag. Mommy made this. Mommy made croissants. Mommy made this. Mommy, can your mommy ever? Do you get? In as much as I would like all of us to try the recipe, I'm quite sure, like, I'm 100% sure that not all of us that goes through tons and tons of recipe videos are actually there to practice. Most of us are actually here for the fun of it. And if you are actually one of those people, okay, here's the thing. Let's do it this way. If you're still watching at this time, if you're still on this video at this time, do type end product, because I know, just like I said before, most of us are not actually going to try the recipe. You're just here for the fun of it, right? Okay, I'm going to make it more fun for you by replicating this same recipe just to show you the end product, because I know you're not going to try it. But thanks for watching, by the way. So if you're still here at this point, just type end product at the comment section and I will replicate this recipe and show you the end product. Deal? That's a fair deal, right? Yeah. I will use this special moment to thank Ariana Cooking. My special love to you. I'm sending my super thanks to you. So like this, we have come to the end of the video. Bye.